Okay, uh, we have this is another repair. We have a MacBook Air. It says coffee spill on keyboard. I don't know if you guys can see that. Coffee spill on keyboard, and it says focus. Okay, liquid damage dead. DOA dead on arrival. So, as you know, with liquid damage devices, we do not connect charger to it. The first thing we want to do is we want to take out. We want to take out the back cover so we can be able to follow up with um, what is wrong with the device. It's not safe to connect a charger when you do not have your feedback. So in this case, your eyes cannot see beyond. So take out the back cover. Some of the screws are missing. First thing we want to do is we want to disconnect the battery. We are not going to introduce power just yet until we have an overview of the logic board before we can introduce power. So we can see the top side of the board, but we cannot see the other side of the board. So we don't want to take the risk of introducing power onto the board when we have no idea exactly what has been affected. So ah. سبحان الله عدد ما خلق من شيء سبحان الله عدد ما خلق من شيء. So now we are disconnecting our cables. Screws are out. There's one more screw left. First, let's remove the antenna cables. Disconnected. Remove the screw holding the heatsink in place. Holding the heatsink to the chassis. Okay. You see what we're talking about? You see this. You see, there was no way we could have known that with a board like this. So introducing power. So you make sure you take out your board first. You make sure you have you have a view of both sides of your board before you introduce power to the board. So you see, while the board was like this, it looked perfect, as though nothing was wrong with it. But then when we take the board out now we can see what is wrong with the board. So we want to put the casing aside and then have a look at our board. You guys can see. Okay. Okay, what we want to do is we want to give this a deep clean. Then yeah, we want to give this a deep clean before anything else. This definitely needs a deep clean. Okay, let's First, let's try to clean. Let's clean it. Okay, flux. See if we can flush the debt. After reflowing the board, we're trying to clean it up so we can have a better view of what is affected. So basically, the section that is affected, it's the BIOS chip, the clock, and SMC. These are really critical point of the board. Okay, after that, we'll let the board cool off and we check the signals that are available, and then we know the then we know how to continue in our repair. That's first is a basic. Afterwards, let's see what we get before we continue. Check if the SMC is running, clock chip is running, and then we can check other stuff. Connect our DC jack. I like to have my fan disconnected because um, I don't want to anticipate a fan spin. I hate anticipating fan spin. So I rather want my multimeter to tell me what's going on other than so I want to connect my fan knowing that yes, I have a fan spin. I hate the that's okay. We have 16 volt on our PPDCA and PP342. Do we have PP342? Yes, we have 3.4 volt on our PP342. Let's see if we have PP bus. Now, what we get on PP bus to tell us if SMC is on in or not. Uh, yeah. So let's see what you have on PP bus. 8.5. That is good. SMC is running. Let's see if we are in SO state. And yes, we are in SO state. So our fan should be spinning right now. So now we want to connect the fan. Okay, now we want to connect our fan. Let's see. See if we have a fan spin. Okay, that is a fan spin. Now we want to see if we have an Apple logo. Oh, guys, you guys didn't see that. It's a fan spin. That's a fan spin. Let's see if we have an Apple logo. We are still going to address we're still gonna oh okay, yeah, so there was a bit of see that we will still adjust the board, but first and first we want to see what we have. We still need to adjust the board. So let's see. Okay, we have a bit of corrosion around the backlight chip, but let's see what we have. If we at least have image. If we have image, it means you have a brain. So let's see if we have image. Okay, let's see if we have image. Okay, that's a fan spin. We want to see if we have image. Oh, by the way, so because our iBot cable is not connected, that is why we do not have the LED. So, okay, we're just waiting to see if we will have, it looks like we have a backlight. Let's see if we have image. Yeah, that's it. We have an Apple logo. That's good. So now what we want to do is, we want to see, we need to do a finalization repair. So two things I need to do. First, we need to make sure all of the components are in good shape. The components in that section are in good shape. And second, we want to be sure that the board is properly cleaned. So, um, let's see. This is a resistor here that is out. Let's see how important that resistor is. Okay, SMS and interlock L. Sudden motion sensor. Okay, sudden motion sensor. Okay, that. What else? What else? What else? Sudden motion sensor. Okay, okay, okay. So we need to put that back because that was damaged and fell off the board. So that needs to be put back. Okay. We now want to address. Guys, I'm having flu. Yeah. Okay, so what we want to do is, while we're waiting for the sodium ion to heat up, let's get the resistor from another board. Uh, okay, we have the board with the okay. We just lost the resistor that we took out just now. We've got no idea where that is. Um, yeah. So I need to take another one. No idea where that is. Oh, okay, I think I found it. First, we try to prepare the area where the chip needs to be installed. Trying to clean the logic board. لا إله إلا أنت سبحانك. Imagine I still have about 3 to 4 jobs to go. Um, and I've got about two 16 inches 2019s. There's a 13 inches no sound. Um, and I've got an appointment at 8 in the morning. What time is it now? It's 2:39 a.m. Yeah, and still here. Hmm. So, okay, let's try to wipe the board, and then afterwards we wanna wiping the board. The camera is it's not focused. Okay, so the next thing we want to do is we now want to further clean it out. I use thinners myself. To clean the logic board further, I'm going to use thinners. Um, ultrasonic. Um, yeah, this I'm not. No, this isn't. This is not going to be ultrasonic. You know. So this is uh, this is pretty much what we need to do here. Uh, this gives me a good amount of control over where I want my where I want the cleaning to be done. So okay, now we want to wipe that and then wipe the board, and we're almost done. Okay, Okay, we still have a little work here. I want the board to be cleaned further. That's why I'm applying this. I'm not satisfied with how the board look, so I'm giving it a further clean. So my plan is when I finish here, I only go home when it's time for. I'll go home around about 4-ish a.m. Um, First, I will go straight to the masjid. After Salah, then I'll go home. Take see if I can get a 2 3 hours sleep. Then I go for my appointment at 7:30 ish. It sounds crazy. But yeah, we have to work super late sometimes just to be able to cover some of the urgent jobs. Like very, very urgent jobs. So I really wish I am sleeping right now because I'm getting super tired. Uh, but just not yet. Can't go home just yet. I need to finish the jobs. At least the remaining two 16 inches. If we can finish those, at least two more, just two more, at least two more. Then inshallah, uh, we can go home. Assalamualaikum. 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 Am I at the lab? Say that again. I'm at the lab. No, I can't sleep here. You know, I've got an appointment at 7:30 ish tomorrow. Uh, but I have machines here that are urgent that I can't really leave until they are done. So I'm almost done. I've only got two left after this one, and then I'll be coming. Can you hear me? See how clean our board is now? It's better than before, definitely. Yeah. So we just want to give it a final dry and test it to be sure that uh, we good. Then we can finalize it, push it to the finalization guys. So the guys will finalize it when they come in tomorrow. Put this aside. Okay, let's give it a final dry. Okay, now let's see if we have a working machine. If we do, then this can go to the final stage where the guys will put machine together, do all of the tests required, and the client can collect the device. So these devices, they usually carry a 12-month warranty. So yeah. Okay, let's put back the Wi-Fi card. See if we still have our image, fine spain, backline, all of the good stuff. We hope we do. Okay. Let's connect our charger. Let's hope for fine spin. Okay, that's a fine spin. Let's hope keep spinning. Let's see if we have backlight. Let's see if we have image. Okay, yeah, that's it. We've got image and our repair, it's done. So we just send this is gonna go to the guys to put together, finalize it, and that's about it. This is done now. We'll move on to the next repair. I'm just gonna put this aside and then we can move on to the next repair. Thank you guys, I'll see you in the next repair.